Good morning everyone, my name is Devi Jayanugroho. Today I would like to tell you about my past experience, especially about the first time I learned how to ride bicycle. It was one of the most unforgettable moments in my childhood because I learned many important things for that experience. When I was around 7 years old, my parents bought me a small blue bicycle. I was very excited because many of my friends in the neighborhood could already ride bicycle, but I still could not. I really wanted to learn, even though I was also afraid of falling down. One afternoon, my father invited me to practice riding my bicycle in front of our house. At first, he held the back seat tightly while I tried to balance myself. I felt nervous and my heart was shaking because I thought a wall fall. The bicycle moved slowly and I kept telling my father not to let go. After practicing for several minutes, I started to feel a little more confident. However, suddenly my father realized the bicycle without telling me. When I realized that he was no longer holding the bicycle, I became panicked and lost my balance. Then I fell onto the road. My knees were hard and a little dirty, and that moment and almost cried because I felt embarrassed and disappointed. My father helped me stand up and told me that falling is a normal part of learning something new. He encouraged me to try again and not give up easily. His word motivated me, so I continued practicing even though I was still scared. After many attempts, I finally managed to ride the bicycle by myself for several meters without failing. I felt extremely happy and proud of myself. I remember smiling very widely while my parents clapped their hands for me. It was a simple moment, but it made me feel more confident. Since the day, riding a bicycle became one of my favorite activities. I often rode my bicycle around the neighborhood with my friend in the afternoon. Besides playing fun, sailing also helped me become braver and more independent. From this experience, I learned that success does not come instantly. Sometimes we need to fail many times before we can achieve something. I also learned that support from family is very important. We face difficulties. In conclusion, my first experience riding a bicycle was both challenging and memorable. Even though I fell down several times, I finally succeeded because I kept trying and never give up. This experience taught me to be patient, confident, and courageous in facing new challenge. Thank you for listening, guys.